Introduce highlight features or overview summary of PUTECCH wireless CarPlay adapter. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Enjoy wireless CarPlay in full. As smooth as the original CarPlay, the wireless CarPlay dongle allows you to conveniently access all CarPlay's applications including GPS navigation, music, podcast, phone calls, Siri voice assistant and messages. Also, your car will still retain all of its original controls, such as touch screen, steering wheel control, knob control, and more. Plug and play. No need to replace your current car head unit or reconfigure your center console. Any car with wired CarPlay can be easily upgraded to wireless with the PUTECCH CarPlay wireless adapter. Through a seamless wireless connection, free your phone from tangled cords while enjoying the ultimate convenience and driving experience. Only designed for cars equipped with wired Apple CarPlay. Quick setup and easy use. No need for any additional applications or drivers, only 3 simple steps can finish the setup of the CarPlay adapter within minutes. Once paired, the adapter will auto-reconnect to your phone every time you use it and starts the CarPlay on your car, providing a convenient and fast use experience. And the next highlight feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is compact and stylish design. This sleek and stylish car adapter is the perfect companion for your vehicle. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry with you without taking up much space in your car. Come with a USB to USB-C adapter, which allows it to access both USB and USB-C type car ports. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.